Hey everybody, Steve Toback coming from the Technology Engagement Center, or the TEC, over here on West Campus. I want to talk to you today about how we use 3D printing to solve a really common integration problem. We wanted to put up these Crestron scheduling panels, and Jack Dardan found this really cool bracket, but the bracket's kind of squarish, and to put it right up here on the wall would have left some sharp edges, not something that we wanted to do. So let's take a look at how we use 3D printing to solve this problem.
I started out by measuring the Crestron bracket and saw there was a space where I can slide something in to hold it. I also measured the wall and did the best I could to measure the angle. I then took those measurements into Photoshop and did a quick 2D sketch. Photoshop has some great built-in 3D features for prototyping, so I extruded the sketch into a skinny version to create the first prototype. The reason I made it so skinny was to save print time and save print materials. This was just to take a look at the angle to make sure it was correct. The first version was pretty terrible. I thought the rounded edge would look nice. It didn't. So the next version had the correct angle and fit like a charm. Once I had the measurements, I did a full-size test version. Then after consulting with Chip Bobbert in the Colab studio, we decided it would be better to use SketchUp to put in the hole for the cable and the screw holes rather than drilling them out. The final version fit like a charm. Quite a bit of wobbling when pressing on the calendar, so to fix that, I printed a simple insert for the other side which braced it against the glass. I encourage all of you to check out Chip's class on 3D printing at TEC Extend and come by to the Colab studio to print that hard-to-find bracket or adapter. There are student staff there most days to help you out, and it can make even the most difficult problem fun to solve.